I'm gonna teach you how to install some FiveM ready vehicles into your FiveM server. So go to like GTA 5 mods or any other mods website. I'm gonna download unmarked Buffalo STX. You press the download, wait, and then should be in your downloads right here. Then you're gonna open that download up. Go to Buffalo unmarked, then FiveM. Go to your server that you made, go to the resources, and then make a folder called in brackets, whatever you want inside the brackets. For me, I'm just gonna put cars. And then that's it. Or you need to drag the vehicle into the cars. Yep. So, for example, what the brackets do, they make everything run in one file. Like, it automatically runs this file, so you don't have to do individually the vehicles or whatever. So go back to your resources, servers, I meant. You don't need this or this. And then ensure cars. Save it, Control S, and then I'm gonna start up the server. And once I get in, I'll show you the vehicle. So now we're in game. You're gonna press M to open up your menu. Go to vehicle related options, vehicle options, and spawn vehicle by name. And then you're gonna go to TX data, CFX, resources, cars. Open this, stream, copy this name, and then paste it into here. Guess it doesn't work. Buffalo SX pole. Here it is. Here's the car. You press E. Here's the lights. Very good model, in my opinion. And also, if you want it in the vehicle spawner, like add-ons, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go back, go to view menu, go to config, go to add-ons, and then you want the vehicle name right here. Just change this to, if you copied it, Buffalo SX pole, save, and then restart view menu. So once I press M again, go to vehicle related options, vehicle spawners, add-on vehicles, and then emergencies, you can see that it's there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you want more videos or tutorials, whoops. If you need more tutorials, just tell me in the comments, or like recommend stuff that I should do, what the next video should be, and stuff like that. So yeah.